Welcome to 22 Maude Street in Box Hill North, when elegance meets seamless family living.
Impressive modern facade to the grand double-door entry. Every detail has been beautifully crafted. Luna and Ripple from McGrath Box Hill.
The open plan of living, dining, family easily flow to the outdoor entertainment area, perfect for family gatherings and weekend barbecues.
All in a quiet, family-friendly street, just minutes away from Box Hill Central, quality schools and parklands.
We are super excited to meet you at the open inspections and very looking forward to it.